How to install Linux on Windows 11 with WSL. We can access the power of both Windows and Linux at the same time on a Windows machine. The Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL, lets developers install a Linux distribution, such as Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, Kali, Debian, Arch Linux, etc., and use Linux applications, utilities, and Bash command line tools directly on Windows, unmodified, without the overhead of a traditional virtual machine or dual boot setup. What is WSL? It is Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL. So first of all we have to enable some feature on. Turn Windows feature on or off. Let's search for feat and then it will show you turn Windows feature on or off. Just click on it. You scroll down, there's two options that you have to enable. The first one is a virtual machine platform. And the next thing that you have to enable is Windows Subsystem for Linux. Click OK. Searching for required files and then it will ask you to restart your computer. You just click on Restart Now. OK, after your computer has restarted, we are going to check if the WSL has been installed completely on our computer. Just type cmd prompt and open the command prompt and then type WSL status. The Windows Subsystem for Linux is not installed. You can install by running wsl.exe install. WSL.exe install. The requested operation requires elevation. Downloading Windows Subsystem for Linux 2.7.3. Installing Windows Subsystem for Linux 2.7.3. Windows Subsystem for Linux 2.7.3 has been installed. The operation completed successfully. Downloading Ubuntu. Installing Ubuntu. Distribution successfully installed. It can be launched via wsl.exe Ubuntu. Launching Ubuntu. This might take a while. Create a default Unix user account, Steve. New password. Retype new password. Password updated successfully now. Your default Ubuntu installed. Ubuntu is running on your Windows computer. Type cd/, you will go to your root directory. LSL if you want to access any folder or any files on your Windows, you can go to root directory and then go to mnt folder. cd mnt and you can find your C drive here. All the Windows file you can find it in your C drive. If I create a directory, create Ubuntu in my C drive 0 Linux folder. I can also find it by Window Explorer. All folders and files on my Windows can be accessed and modified in my Linux platform. For example, all the other folders and files in my 0 Linux folder are created by Window, and I can access them and modify them in my Ubuntu. Update your Ubuntu to the newest version. Sudo apt update. Check your current Ubuntu version. lsb_release lsb_release d. Description: Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. How to run Ubuntu? Click Window and Ubuntu.